What's up, guys? Levi here with the Metzinger Company. You're watching an episode of What's Your Hustle? Today we're going to do Willet Press. We got a bath mat from Walmart. It's 100% polyester from Mainstays. And we're going to see if it's going to sublimate. We're going to use our standard heat settings at 385 degrees for 50 seconds with our standard A-sub paper with Cosmos ink. And let's get to it. Now we're just going to center it up the best we can. Looks good there. Put our piece of parchment paper over. There we go. Now we did a test press to make sure the pressure was good, and let you know what we think. We also got a cutting board from Walmart that we're going to test it out on. It's got a little indent. We're going to have to try to build it up, and hopefully it works. If you guys have any questions or anything else you want us to press, comment on our video, like, subscribe, share, and hopefully we can keep this going for you guys. Alright, moment of truth. Hot peel as always. And look at that. It pressed. Fancy. So there you have it, guys. A bathroom mat from Walmart will sublimate. Color is very good. And I'd say it's a success.